How to go from single picture shooting to multiple picture shooting, or to setting up a timer on your Canon 6D Mark II or pretty much any Canon camera out there. So let's go and turn it on. And since 6D has a touch screen, I will show it with a touch screen, but if you have other cameras, you will just use the rolling pin here. Okay, so let's go to the setting, and this setting shows, basically lets you choose from multiple settings for the how you want your shutter to behave. So we have a single shooting, high speed, continuous. This means as soon as you press the button and you push it down, it will take pictures until you let it off again. This is low speed continuous, similar approach, but it will not take as many pictures per second. Then we have a silent mode, silent continuous, and there are multiple timer options. So 10-second remote, 2-second, and continuous self-timer. So in most cases you will use single shooting, but then if you are taking pictures of some events, or where you need some high action, or you are really in the zone in your photo shoot in the studio, you can also choose one of the high speeds, and then as soon as the button is pressed, it will continuously create pictures until you let it go.